Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Tucked away in Sydney's iconic Bondi, Anywhere apartment by Brad Swartz Architects shows how great design can respectfully transcend its setting. Just minutes from Bondi Beach, the 50-square-meter home eschews typical beachside tropes, instead embracing private northerly aspects. Rather than shouting about its location, Anywhere apartment offers something both universal and deeply personal, a space that could belong anywhere yet feels intimate and intentional. Designed for a young professional seeking a calm escape, the apartment reflects a sophisticated, relaxing atmosphere with only subtle nods to coastal living. Instead of dramatically reconfiguring the compact layout, Brad Swartz Architects enhanced the existing footprint through meticulous materials, spatial nuance, and clever design interventions.